Number 231, the perimeter of a square piece of land is 1,040 meters. What is the length of each side? So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 520, 160, 260, 320 meters, and none of the above. Okay, so let's just use the formula for perimeter of a square. Okay, so the formula for perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times its side because the perimeter, that is the total distance around a polygon. So in a square, we have 4 equal sides. So therefore, the formula is we just add the lengths of each side. So therefore, we have 4 times S. Okay? So given the perimeter is 1,040, so let's just substitute. So we have 1,040 is equal to 4S. To solve for the length of each side, just divide both sides by 4. So therefore, the value of the side, the length of the side is, so let's just divide this manually. 1,040 divided by 4. So we have 10 divided by 4 is 2 times 4, we have 8. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 4. 24 divided by 4, that will be 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So we have, subtract this, that is 0. So just copy this 0. So the answer is 260 meters, which is letter C. So follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, pero but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.